Tony the Dusty Woodworker here, and welcome to the Dusty Wood Shop. Not making a project today, but doing some cleanup. Yes, even a dusty wood shop needs to be cleaned. I'm going to show you something that I bet a lot of people haven't even thought to do. Your rib fence. Have you ever thought about cleaning that? Well, that looks pretty good. But here's the part that I bet you've not done before. Not bad, if you ask me. I'm actually surprised it's as clean as it is, but I did this several months back and I found there was considerable amount of buildup of dust. Now what happens is you get dust in here and this starts to bulge out, and before you know it, you've got a ripply fence. Well, looks like this is going to be a very short video here. So let's just put all this back together and we'll call it good. Oop. Now, yeah, I'm using an impact gun, but I'm just using it to get the screws down so I don't have to use a lot of elbow grease. So let's just make sure that's all properly tightened. There we go. Didn't know if that one was going to tighten up or not. That's all there is. Make sure your fence stays straight. You've got to clean the dust out of there. I'm going to check something just for fun. See what this other side looks like. Probably just as clean as the first side was. Oh, look at that. We've got a bit more dust buildup in there. Okay, that's a bit of buildup. And the rest of it's not looking too bad. Part of the reason why this has built up dust in the first place is because, well, I noticed that this wasn't very flat, and I decided I wanted to use the other half that was flatter. So I took this half from over here and put it over there. But as you can see, dust builds up. So let's put it back together. We'll call this a done project. Whoops, too tight. Over torquing is never a good thing. It can stress your fasteners, and it can deform materials. So you don't want that too tight either. So folks, that's it. Tony the Dusty Woodworker in the Dusty Wood Shop saying thanks for stopping by.